The TDG Audio Skybar is the world's first in-ceiling soundbar. One Skybar LCR can be used alone for a left, right, and center channel speaker, or it can be paired with Skybar Satellites for a full, high-performance, 7-channel home theater experience. That's right, only 3 discrete boxes for a 7-channel setup. Additional Skybar Satellites can be added for a complete immersive surround sound experience. Here's how it works. The revolutionary Skybar Satellite features a 3-inch speaker mounted into a waveguide, which allows for the directing of sound to reflect off an adjacent wall. Mounted in ceiling, the Skybar Satellite doubles as an overhead speaker as well as a rear surround speaker. Mounted in wall, it doubles as a surround speaker and an overhead speaker. Each Skybar LCR or Satellite can also be used as one channel, perfect for larger listening areas. All of these configurations are easily attainable by the connections on the back of the Skybar LCR and Skybar Satellite. The Skybar line features heavy-duty 3-inch full-range drivers with a single 1-inch titanium dome pivoting tweeter. They feature fully sealed high-grade MDF enclosures, precision-punched steel baffles for maximum rigidity, and arrive with a bezel-less paintable magnetic grille.